Hello aspirants, welcome in Sharma classes again. As we all know, the competition is not only the exam of your knowledge, but it is also the examination of your willpower. So never give up, always think that I can and I will. Today is our second session of Current Affairs 2021. So let's start our session. The very first question of current affairs in September 2020, the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry has launched which toll free mental rehabilitation health helpline? And the answer is Kiran. It is 24/7 toll free helpline and its number is 1800 500 019, which will provide relief and support to person with mental illness. And our next question is, what is the full form of IMPDS? As you all know, the public distribution system is very important system, and nowadays it has been used in many other schemes also. And the answer is integrated management of public distribution system. It is more than PDS shops. The Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ram Vilas Paswan, recently announced the inclusion of urban union territories of Ladakh and Lakshadweep in one nation and one card ration card system. That is one nation and one ration card scheme, and that is why it is named as Integrated Management of Public Distribution System, which is none other than IMPDS. With this, a total of 26 states and UTs will be connected with the schemes and will benefit about 65 crores of people. And our next question is, on 1st September 2020, which market plan in electricity was launched? Which market plan in electricity was launched? And the answer is Green Term Ahead Market, that is GTAM. Minister of State MOSIC and Power, New and Renewable Energy Rajkumar Singh launched the Pan India Green Term Ahead Market in New Delhi virtually for electricity. GTAM is the world's first exclusive product market for the renewable energy sector. Here comes our next question. It is on 28th August 2020, Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Shri Ravindra Prasad launched Chunauti. What is it? It is the next generation startup challenge contents to further boost up startup and software products with special focus on tier 2 towns of India. There are many tiers towns in India, and it is specially for tier 2 town of India. And the next question is, Niti Aayog on 27th August 2020 virtually launched the India component of the nationally determined contribution, that is NDC Transport Initiative for Asia TIA. This program has a duration of how many years? And the answer is 4 years. It aims to set up a multi stakeholder dialogue platform to decarbonize transport in India. Please be alert and remember, this is an important point. On 27th August 2020, the Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal launched which bank system? And the answer is National GIS enabled land bank system. For the further description of this, the prototype of National GIS enabled land bank system will make it an efficient, transparent mechanism of land identification and procurement. India will receive an official development assistant ODA loan of amount JPY 50 billion, and that is 3500 crore from the government of Japan as the COVID-19 crisis emergency response support in order to fight the COVID-19 crisis. What is the same? What is the name of this donor agency? What is the name of this donor agency? And the answer is GICA, and the full form is Japan International Cooperative Agency, right? And come to the next session, next question, and it is on 21st August 2020, which mobile app has been launched to monitor all plantation project along highways? Which was that? It is Harit Path, right? It's important. The union, and the next question, if we get the description of this, the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highway, Nitin Gadkari, has launched a mobile app named Harit Path. It will monitor location, growth, species detail, maintenance activity, targets, and achievement of each of its field unit for each and every plant under all plantation projects along the highways. So it will be quite useful for highways monitoring. The next question is, on 19th August 2020, the TriFed has launched Tribes India on Wheels in how many cities across the country by Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Shri Arjun Munda, and the answer is 31. And the next question is, in the Independence Day address 15th August address in the Independence Day address 15th August 2020, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi mentioned about the mega plan of One Sun, One World, One Grid, and that is OSOWOG. The idea was first floated in, and the answer is during the first assembly of the International Solar Alliances, that is ISA, in 2018. Right? Under this, there will be a transnational electric grid for supplying slow solar power across the globe. And now come to the next session. I hope you will definitely enjoy this, and it will be quite helpful in your further examination. Thanks a lot. Thanks.